Okay, here's Elijah's volcano. It's going to explode.
Here we go.
Okay. Are you gonna stand right there, Elijah?
Okay.
No, just a little bit. Come on, you hold it. Help. Careful. Look. And there it goes. Wait. And then we throw a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's
Can I do it by myself?
No, you have to wait.
Wow.
And there's a boy. Excited. Again. Just a little bit more, okay?
Okay.
And whoa.
You want to try it, Timon? No. Oh,
Okay.
Okay. No. Hey, mom, look. Look at this. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, it's funny. Look. Hey, Daddy. Come on.
It costs too much on this side.
Look. How I get someone with it? Here.
Okay. No, all done. All done.
Please.
Please. You already put a lot. Look, it's gonna fall. Okay?